sanibonani ngihamba noNompumelelo wakamdunga eBuilders eMandeni. Namhlanje ke folks angihambi ngedwa ngihamba noMam Ngidi. Hello, hi.
Hello, how are you?
Ngiyaphila sithando sami kunjani?
Ngiyaphila nami.
All right, so uMam Ngidi is a regular customer and this is how she spent namhlanje and only today, but she is a regular like Kaya. So Mam Ngidi, unjani sithando sami?
Oh, I'm over the moon.
Yes.
Happy ngale ndlela engachazeki.
Ooh, that is so
You know, right?
fantastic. Yes.
100% eMandeni. Yes.
Bakwethu ke uMam Ngidi comes from eShaka. She's not from
Shaka's Scroll.
around Mandeni and yet she travels all the way from eShaka Scroll to eMandeni. And why is that? Indaba travel so far for
Number one, service.
Mm.
Number two, everything engiyidingayo ngiyayithola i-discounted 100%. I-staff, how yonke into is 10 over 10.
All right, thank you very much.
Service yenu nje it's
Oh, thank you so much. Nizwele ke bakwethu from the horse's mouth, our service nayo yonke into khona itholakala eBuilders. Please note, if you need to build your home with trendy new styles, Sikona, we are at your service. Signing out, Siyabonga.
Thank you so much. Congrats.